I created this PayPal account few days ago and it's verified and can receive payments without any restrictions from anywhere in the world. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a verified working PayPal account without restrictions, no matter your location, literally anywhere in the world. Just so you know, this is not one of those videos where I'll tell you to use a VPN or a sophisticated browser. We're not going to be using any of those in this tutorial, but let me warn you ahead of time before you come to the comment section and say it didn't work for you. Make sure you follow every single step exactly the way I'll show you in this video, because one little mistake or step you miss could cost you a whole lot. I'm talking about losing all the money in your PayPal account. So to be on the safer side, I'll advise you first watch this video till the end just to clearly understand the process before you start creating your own account. Now that's enough warning for one video. Let's begin. The first precaution you need to take is this. Do not use the same email address you've previously tried using to create a PayPal account in the past. I'll repeat. Do not use the same email address you've tried using to create a PayPal account before that did not work. If you use the same email for this tutorial, newsflash, it's not gonna work. The reason is because that email has been registered in PayPal's database alongside the user's location. So once you input that email address, they'll quickly recognize it and know that you are trying to be sneaky. So avoid it. If possible, try to create a new email for this particular tutorial. The funny thing about this is PayPal will eventually allow you to create an account with that email. But where the problem will emerge is when you try to withdraw that money that's in your PayPal account into your bank account. Believe me guys, you don't want to go through that process. Now that we know all the precautions to take, let's go ahead to create a working PayPal account. Okay guys, the first thing you need to do is come to your browser and type these words guys, paypal.com/ls, then hit enter. Okay, it's going to bring you to this particular page. It says the simpler, safer way to get paid. So we're going to click on sign up for free. So click sign up for free to bring you to this particular page. Now you can see two options here: sign up for a personal account and sign up for a business account. So we are going to choose business account because we want to accept payment and also send invoices to customers. Because if you choose personal account, you can only use it to just shop or buy stuff online. But if you choose business account, you can use this to receive money from anywhere in the world. So I'll just click on business account, continue. So it's going to load up this particular page. It says create a business account. So here I'm going to type my first name here. So I'll use Moses, last name, then I'll type my email address. Remember guys, I told you don't use an email address that you have used before or you have tried using before that was rejected. So this is the email address. Then password. Before you type your password, look at what they said here. They say enter between 8 to 20 characters. Use upper and lower case letters. Enter at least one symbol. So I'm going to type my password. Okay, my password is ready. I click on agree and continue. Security challenge. Okay, we're going to complete this. I'm not a robot. Select traffic lights. I think that does it. Okay, check complete. They say confirm your email with a code. This helps us prevent fraud and reach you if there's ever an issue. So I'll just click email you a code. So they've sent an email with my code in it. So I'm going to check my mail on my phone right now to see the code. Okay, the email just arrived right now and the code is 238451. Submit. Okay, it says you are all set. Just a second. So I'm going to wait a little for the whole stuff to process. Okay, it says activate your account to start using PayPal. We'll guide you every step of the way. Enter info about your business, share some personal info. So I'm going to click let's go. So here, before we start, describe your best. So I'm not going to choose individual or sole proprietorship. So here I'm going to select individual or sole proprietorship accounts. Then click here and select sole proprietorship. I'll go down and click on next. Fill us in on the basics, Moses. So I'm gonna First name correct, last name correct, date of birth. Okay, my date of birth has been typed. Nationality, I'm going to change this to Nigeria. Select Nigeria. So my country code is +234. So I'm going to look for +234. Okay, here is +234. Phone number, I'm gonna use this. So this is my phone number set. So I'm gonna type in my residential address. So I'll just type in Federal Capital Territory. So I'm gonna type in the postal code for my location and then click next. Okay, it says tell us about your business or organization. I'll just say, okay, for my business, I think just use full legal name for now. Registration number, I'm going to skip this for now. Primary currency for your business is dollar. What I sell, I'm going to type in digital services. Okay, I'll use the digital. Do you have a business website? No. Now over here, click use residential address. I'll click on next. Now it says you are all set. You cannot accept payments and move money. So I'll go to home page. Right now I'm on the home page. You can see our account has been created. It says activate your account to use PayPal. We've done 2 out of 3 steps. The third step is to link a bank, which I'm going to be linking later on. But first of all, let's finish this process first. So I'm going to minimize this. Then it says let us make some recommendations, answer a few questions, and we'll let you get started with your PayPal account. So you can see our balance is $0 right here, and we're just going to click on get recommendations. Now this tab is going to open where we're going to finish up this questionnaire. It says what does Moses do? So you can choose more than one. So I offer a service. I'm going to click offer a service, click next. How do you want to accept money? With a shareable payment link. This is the option I'm going to use, not on your site or with an invoice. If you have a blog and you want to add this at the back end of your blog, then you choose this particular option. But I'm going with this shareable payment link so that my client can send me money through this particular link. So I'll click on this link and click on next. Okay, it says select the ones you want and we'll help you set them up on your home page. So it says get your link and get paid. So this is the one I'm going to choose, get link and get paid. I'm not going to select this. So get link and get paid. Then I'll click on next. Okay, so you see, to bring us back to this particular page right now, see, this is where you are going to get your link to send to your client for them to pay you. So for you to get a customized link, you have to first of all come under here, product or service name. You're going to type in the name of the service you offer. For example, let me say sponsorship. Then the price, we'll put it at $1,500. The currency is USD. So make a shareable link so you can get paid by email, text, or on social media. So I'll click on build it. Okay, it's a payment link created. This is the link. So copy this link and share it by email, text, or social media. So I'm just going to copy this link. Once I copy this link, I can send it to my client, and if they want to send me money through PayPal, they're going to click on that link and it will take them straight to where they can send money straight into my PayPal account. Alright guys, so to receive payment, you either link a bank or link a card. I'm going to make a separate video on how to link your card or link your bank, but the best option here is linking your card. If you have a dollar card or you have a bank account and you want to use your dollar card, you're going to use your dollar card to link that particular bank account, because they don't accept banks outside the US. So if we click on this link a bank line, to take us to a page where we have to link a US bank account. But if you're not in the US, you have to link a card, any kind of card, MasterCard, Visa card. I'm going to make a separate video on how to link your bank account, but this is how you create a PayPal account that actually works. So you can see that we have access to all the tools in this our account. Make sure you follow every step outlined and also take note of the precautions I mentioned at the beginning of this video to avoid stories that touch the heart. Now that you have a PayPal account, How about testing it to see if it actually works as I claimed? The best way to test it without risking your own money is by sending money into that account. I'm talking about easy money that you didn't work hard for. These two videos on your screen will show you how you can get free money sent directly to your PayPal account. All you have to do is either watch a 30 seconds video or upload any random photo. This one here pays you $10 for uploading any photo, while this other one here pays you $2.5 just for watching a 30 seconds video. Click on any one you want to watch so we can test that PayPal account you just created, if it really works or not. You have 2 seconds to click on them before they disappear.